All right, so we're going to do, for those of you who were Zooming last week and are Zooming also this week, in other words, if you didn't come to school with the A group or the B group, if you haven't been at school, then you need to do this assignment. So start by doing a paper size of 8.5 by 11 and make yourself a rectangle that I don't care how big you make it initially, but we want to make it 4 by 1, 4 inches wide, 1 inch tall. All right, and then get the text tool and let's write your name, all caps, please. So you can do first name, last name, both names, however you want to do it. Click off, turn that text into a path. It didn't do it, so I'm going to select again, try again. Okay, there, I could just tell it's supposed to change. Then hold down the shift key and grab one of these little resize bar, little dots, and make it bigger. We want to make it not wider than your box, but filling it up pretty nicely. And then we want it overlapped. See how the letters are overlapping a little bit with the box. Awesome. Then select all, Control A. Let's make sure it's centered. That's this little thing here. And then we're going to do a union command and see how it's turned them into a single thing now. Awesome. All right. And then make another rectangle. Again, doesn't matter what size you make it initially, because we're going to make it 0.16 by 0.5. And then I want you to put this kind of right in the middle at the bottom. And again, we're going to select all. We're going to make sure it's centered. And then I want you to turn off the fill. So go to fill here and click the trash can. And then hit the plus for borders. Okay. And then at this point, probably a good idea to save it. Save to the cloud. Let's call it nameplate. And then your name. It doesn't have to be all caps. Okay, and then we're going to do one more little thing, and that's, create one more part of it. We need another box. This one's going to be 2 inches by 1 inch. And then we need a copy of this little thing. So I'm going to do Control C for copy, Control V for paste. And we have a copy. The copy, we want it to be centered on the bottom down here too. So I'm going to center it. I'm going to turn off the fill. I'm going to turn on the border. And then I'm going to hit save. And after it's done saving, then you hit the share button and copy the link and turn that in. You'll be all done. Thanks.